City Light Hotel. Sa ito yung entryway ng City Light Hotel. Malapit lang to sa gilid ng St. Peter Cathedral. Akit na tayo. Anong oras ba check-in? 2 o'clock? 5 o'clock.
Tingnan mo, kung City Light na ito.
Baba, check mo muna kung City Light nga. Mamaya hindi naman City Light. Ay, po. Gusto mo, Dad? Wow, wow, wow. Check mo na lang. So, hi guys. Ayan si Mr. So, dito nga confirm na City Light nga. Dito kami. So, ayan. Malawak yung kanilang lobby. Malaki. Ayan. So, as you can see, marami siyang upuan. Anong oras daw tayo mag-check-in? Okay, 2 o'clock. And, ayan. Maganda siya. Malawak yung lobby. And then, free breakfast. So, how much ang isang per day? 3,500?
Actually, pagka walk-in, 4,000.
Pag walk-in guys, 4,000. Pero through Klook, 3,500?
1.
3,100. Nag-Klook kasi kami guys. So, through Klook, 3,100. Then, pag walk-in ka, 4,000. So, ang laki ng difference guys. So, yeah, first time namin dito City Light. Dati kasi doon sa Hotel Bini sa may Sensation Road. And then, saan pa ba yung iba? Yung iba kasi minsan pag napunta kami sa bahay ng kapatid ng sa Hipag ko, meron kasi sila ditong bahay sa Baguio. Yeah. Hi. Welcome. See? So nice. So later ulit guys, i-update ko kayo sa room tour. So hi guys, pupunta na tayo sa room natin. Anong number?
B12.
B312. So ayan, aakit tayo sa elevator. And hi guys. So ayan, ang taba ni Nunalot guys. Ang laki ng puso. Kailangan mag-exercise. Ganon. Ang dami kong rasya sa likod guys. Kasi ang pawis tapos, ay, polvo ng ate. Ayan. So ang bigat ng akin things. Hi everybody. So we are here in ground floor. And we're going to second floor. Is that second floor, Daddy? Oh my God. He's not answering. Yeah. Room tour ko kaya guys. Oh wow! Oh my gosh. Oh no. Ito guys, ang ayaw ko mag-isa. Oh no. Are we moving? Hi, are we moving? Oh, very fast. Oh my God, guys, very fast. Oh no. Very fast.
B3, malalim ito. Baka mas lalo mainit dito.
Basement nga? Ba't naman basement? Ay, hindi, basement naman talaga ang ano. Basement 3. So, we are here in basement 3 room B12, B10, 9. And we are, guys, mag-honeymoon kami ni Mr. Guys, alam niyo ba, dito nabuo si Eko. Nung pagkakasal namin, makit kami ng Baguio. Oh my God. This is it. So, good morning guys. Good morning pretty people. So, ito yung entryway ng ating room tour. Yes, ito yung door. Meron silang hotel house rules and regulation. Ilaw, CR right away. So, may towel naman siya. Malinis yung CR guys. Very clean. May shower. And yes, ayan. And then, huge mirror. Ayan. Hi! And then, meron silang cabinet para ihang yung mga damit natin, guys. And one single bed, TV, aircon, and complements, slippers, toothbrush, and coffee, of course, complement nila. Yeah. And then, gagawin natin yung ginawa ni Captain Rizakloy. Charan! 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 So, walang camera dahil ito ay
Gusto mo dito malamig?
semento.
Okay.
Diyan ka. Dito na ako. So, ayan guys. Ito lang yung simple room tour ng room namin sa City Light. City Light lang siya, no? City Light Hotel. Ayan, City Light Hotel. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel. Nunalog. Bye-bye. Keep safe, everyone.